Here we go. So starting off, always fill your screen wash up with Spotless water, DI water. It's absolutely fantastic. Keeps your windscreen spotless, no water spots. To be honest, everywhere you've got glass and paint, Spotless water. It's the best. Deionized water, that's what it actually is. It's as pure as can be, cheap as hellfire. Today the machine's actually broken, free water today, but it's only 4p a litre anyway, so no need to be careful with a bit of water in the car. I use it for rinsing the car off. I use it for washing the house windows. A bit too much in that one, making a mess here. £2 and 4p for that lot. Just so cheap, and the amount of effort that it saves me from getting water spots off. If it was triple the price, I'd still pay it. Then on the forum, I find that you can buy this Spotless water for 7p a litre, I think it is, if you have no account. Or if you have an account with them, it's 4p a litre. It's Derby, and they come to Derby regular. And then there's another one at Eastwood. So they're both local for me. Done. I'm knackered for putting it all in, but my God, that's going to save me so much time and money on shampoo and electricity. I can't add it up. It just makes my life so much easier. I just hope that other people will use this information and get out of it something like what I've got out of it, because it will make your life an awful lot easier and you'll enjoy washing your car again. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up please if you don't mind, and subscribe.